How to change your downloads default path on UC browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to UC browser. Now as you can see, this is the home page. Go down here and click on those three lines. Now click on the settings option here and down. Now go to the download settings right here. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now on this page you will find the download path, the first option. Click on it and you will be able to change your path easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.